Watch, watch. And the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man? A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You know when I come for representing in a full effect. You know it go already. When I aim up, crank up, load up and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. What? You know a loud explosion. The most electrifying man. Wait, make my sparks up this car. Things are get really electrifying at night, yeah. Watch. Actually, factually, and naturally. Watch. So hear me, man. Right about now, you know. If me never did come do that video, yeah, me wanna true to my subscriber them. Cause you know we did come out and I say, Buju Banton son need to apologize. Alright, we see the apology go on. We still see some little clown people. I run up them mouth on the internet. And I say, well then, nobody should not say this one wrong. And nobody should not say this one right. And nobody not have no right for blame the youth and say this or that because nobody no know where I go through. Alright, forgot where I go through. Where this name? The internet. A social media, this name. You see, this is social media, the internet, a bloggers run social media. And one artist me see out there where can dim bloggers thing in a social media and a vibes cartel. You hear that? But let me tell you something differently. The bloggers them run social media. The man them who do video and talk about dancehall artists. You hear that? So if you know, Marcus never want nobody in him thing, him shouldn't come on social media, come belch out, nothing at all where him talk about. This is what I deal with. So in the first place, when you don't want to talk, know what you talk, say, and understand what you say, you know what I mean, to people. We don't act like, say, people that behind closed door and I listen to people business and then run up on social media with the argument and him come out on social media with them shit there. I'm already telling you say the best thing him should have done is sit down with him father and talk about it. But anyway, him apologize. You see what I deal with? But I just want my subscriber them and whosoever watch my video for know say here what I go on. I years me rate the Gargamel and I just know. A long time, you see me, a long time thing, and I just know. Because Gargamel is one of the wickedest DJ we ever put mic eye mouth. You hear me? I switch Gargamel, switch the flavor and go over in a reggae music. Because when Gargamel a DJ the baddest thing that in a Jamaica we put mic eye mouth. I see all Mad Cabra run over prison oval. Say one clash Buju and Buju make the crowd know say yo, I not sing clash song. And them song I sing. And I go sing my song them when I come for sing. And all Mad Cabra I go on with them wickedness. Buju singing browning and blackening and him shit them and flatten down the whole of prison oval. And the first you ever see an artist do that. And from them time them I know a dynamic artist. And next thing, when Panet dead, in a Rockers Award we keep in a arena. Them time that Bounty Killer and Beanie Man a clash are the first me I go see them together. Listen, it was Beanie Man mother birthday and Beanie Man call up his mother on the stage and I introduce his mother to the crowd. The brother named Richie B tell Beanie Man say if him never respect him before him respect him now. Because you know what I mean, if him a call up his mother on his mother birthday on the stage and love the vibes. Bounty Killer and Beanie Man shell on the show flat. Yo, it's when Buju Banton come, and draw the song The Murderer, ask him. A 20 times him have to pull up that and sing it over in a Rockers Rockers Award. It's come like a one song the man come for sing the whole night. And burn down the whole arena flat. Buju Banton an ordinary artist. Here what me I say to the youth now. The youth I say, well then, and I know financial problem him have with him father. Nah, nothing. So, basically, to the way how him talk, it look like, you know what I mean, a time them want. You know what I mean? Them need them time, you know what I mean? But them have to know them father who, you know, them father is not an ordinary man. Them father is a messenger. We go right around the world and spread the message. You have to know a superstar like that, or that them children always will cry over. And it not just happen with Buju Banton. Every top super dynamic superstar upon the road them live most of them time. And them children them face them type of problem there. Some of them are nanny grow up the children because not even the mother have time to. You see what I deal with? You have to know them shit there. You see what I deal with? I know another lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? And if you go watch and say Buju Banton have 17 kids, and them thing the superstar deal with, my virgin. As so superstar live, man. Because him can't able to do it. Remember, I'm fly from country to country all over, and I meet all different type of people, you know. I remember I forgot, you know. Say Buju Banton never has himself as a normal man, him have himself as a king, you know. It's kind of don't see that type of lifestyle them live, you know. So Bob Marley never do it and no affliction never did it. Is where me I deal with. The youth should have just hold him harder and hold him father and show him father or develop him is as a youth in him brain. Show him father the intellect we him have right now. You know what I mean? And how dynamic him is when it come on to intelligence. You know what I mean? So reason with your father and show him logic so him can't even hide from. So when you show him that, him himself have to give a whole heap of respect for know so well then a fame youth that I talk to him in a such intelligent manner. You know what I mean? And whatever the youth are saying on point, don't think no father can hear him son. I talk to him in a them dynamic way the way you hear me I talk about. And then just go in bed like that, like nothing not happen. No man. That ride up on him conscience, man. Him have to pray that. Him have to work out that with himself first. And then come back and make him youth know so well then yeah. You know what I mean? Because so them thing they go. Because I don't care what you talk about as long as you talk the truth, you now go can beat that. You see what I deal with? And your conscience now go can run from that. So all when you want harden up, you still know the truth. You understand what I deal with? So at them level them should have show him father how grow up him is right now. The way where him take a wrong way. Say if man say him wrong for bring out that or that my mean. Because man run social media, you hear that and not him. Just remember that say when time I drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Don't forget say a loud explosion thing. You hear that? So when you don't want nobody dip up in our business or say this or say that, you do not bring it over here, so it's the master them for over here, so I go beat on nobody with it. You understand kind of lollipop thing? You hear me? And everybody want to be a king and a queen on this shit. And some people go come with them negative vibes. So you have to know what you want to do. You see what I deal with? You have to know no joke thing. The last time I bumbuckle see Buju Banton, the last time I even touch Buju Banton, I slide road me dep and I ride go up crossroad and the general park crossway from the studio, almost over Dust Bar. And me I ride past and the man say, yo! And me have to break up. You know what I mean? And slide back my right. And I give him a lion paw with my left hand. And Walter boy pull up on the right. And I say, yo, I'm going to have the two man them on. I give the two of them a lion palm. And me then I nigga blood clot road. And I say to the two of them, you know see that? I'm a two bumbuckler general them. And the man them are dead with laugh. And the last time that me and Buju Banton ever got so close. You see what I do? Because the man they are general. The man they like the way I play ball. Because I'm nice when it comes to ball. Every evening I say play ball. Right there say in a penthouse. You see me with all of the artists, them Madhouse artists, them Shocking Vibes artists, them. You see what I deal with? So we know the thing and then a lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? But here what I go say. The reason why me I say that, me just go all far for showing how long the respect I come with Buju Banton. Because when man don't play ball, me I one of the man where Buju go give him buy key and tell him to go buy some juice. That's all really me get. You see what me I deal with? But beside all of that, me just show you how far the respect I come from. And me I show you, so I see how far me I respect the man from. Right now, when I see the show keep, man, in a Jamaica, and the havoc where it bring, plus, the history where I got left, and plant there, so because of how Buju Banton do, I double him respect. Let me tell you something. I feel change that again. You see, to the way how him you behave on social media and how people been behaving on social media since the Gargamel returned back from prison, and all know the man no come out and walk me out and say, me triple him respect, because I'm a lollipop thing. You hear that? So, for me right now, Big Buju Banton is a true inspiration. You know what I mean? To a lot of people. I just hope the people them enough family sit down and watch what go on, and see how intellect this brother is, So the brother not bring him house thing, I'm family thing, out in the media, now with nobody, Him prefer deal with that on him own, And the man already spend him time in a prison already, so the man no need to come apologize to nobody. Because whatever them say him do, them give him penalty for that and that over with. And none of we never go there go help him serve. None of the years them where him serving at that. So now Batty boy and them mother, especially the local politician boy where chat up in mouth of Jamaica, the man no owe you shit, dog. The man no owe you nothing. Where you must go do a clean up your party and try to clean up the police force and clean up on a dirty system before you come out and talk. The man no owe you shit, dog. So I'll apology you want buckler, wait for you sit down and wait for your girl for that to fuck for you, my virgin. You know what I mean? A real thing me I deal with lollipop thing. Everybody know the 10-star one. So then and again me I say, oh no, when I see a runner come out and a chat board, nobody no know what happened, so nobody should not pass no judgment for Marcus. He said this and that. Marcus wrong him and him wrong and him wrong. Him wrong plus wrong, add wrong, equal one, equal wrong, multiply by wrong. Everywhere you get a wrong. Yes, sir, him shouldn't bring it out on social media. You hear that? Right. So if him never bring it out on social media, nobody could not chat. Marcus no run social media. Marcus run in the studio by building rhythm. Bloggers run social media. So no better get that on the head. So if you don't want nothing published, you don't put nothing on social media, you don't want load up, because bloggers are going to sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. And you know when the man them drop necessary equipment, you know a loud explosion thing. So you can't blame the man them for that, because you come over the man them platform because you don't want thing load up, so the man them are going to sound it up. Oh, not talk about. But I say I respect Buju Banton. I triple up the man thing because here what go on. It's not so much man you have in the world who that hear him youth say all them things about him, or even still want to even take a picture with him, or even want to grill up things in a manner with him. Because when him say some really ash shit, and it's not everybody can take that. But I just want to see, I want to tell you, and I want to see the levels of where Buju Banton there in him head space as a human. You see me, and how him a check and how him a think. You see what I deal with? So the man action them when him take precise. You see me when it come on to John Public. You see what me I deal with? Another footstep them Marcus should have follow. So anything at all or any problem we have with the general, him go face the general with him big high school intellect self and reason with the man properly as a son and a father, and him have to hear you and not care where you want from him. If no money where it costs and it more than him expense or whatever you tell him would have grown up that fear. And not only for you neither, for all of your siblings them as well you talk about. But one thing me know, the time factor, if a time you want from him, you have to know who the father is. And know say him is a messenger. You have to know say a music choose him and not him choose music. And the work have to be done. And him have to all over the world present message to the people them. So you have to know say uno as him youth have to live after when you hear him preach the positive music, after the positive vibration, and bring up on yourself underneath the manner there. And know so the father I'm a messenger we choose by God, because not every man can do what him do. You see another lollipop thing or the work him do. So you have to all you have to give and take with them shit there, because it not just happen to Uno as Buju Banton children. It happen to more superstar children, because I saw it go when the world have you as somebody who in demands and them look up to. You understand me? So you have to live by the roots and principle of when him preach. You know what I mean? And every time him can be around, you know. And even when him even there yard is a busy man. A whole heap of people want to interview. A whole heap of producer want him lay down a track. A man could want him some collaboration. Some people want duff plates. It goes on and on. You see what I say? But anyway, you know what the general, the 10-star one. And before I go, me hear a local man come on pan JA radio and I say him don't think Vibes Cartel. Him say him don't think Vibes Cartel could make the thing run off so, because when basically I say Vibes Cartel fans are Boogie Yaga fans, so fighting and baiting would have gone up there. My virgin, a modern days you living in, my virgin. Stop act like you're not a joker, you know. From when you set the right platform, you see me, and the right things them in place, me not see no reason why it can't go on. And the reason why me I say this is not just because Vibes Cartel and Buju. Them need for open up the stadium to more event where like that will bring the people them together. So even Jamaica Carnival, you can make the people them walk around the place and then them go end it there in the stadium. You see what I deal with? And we can bring a lot of our roots, our culture and add it to the fucking party. And a lollipop thing. You see me? Some more events supposed to fucking go in at the stadium like that, because you see what Buju Banton do, you know. You see what I deal with? Buju Banton tougher than the whole of Sunfest, you know. And you see how much artists perform on Sunfest. Buju Banton tougher than the whole of Sunfest. And another lollipop thing. But the general, the 10-star one, I represent in a full effect. And if you don't like all my son, my subscriber them, you don't know it going on my comment box, you know. Watch. The most electrifying man. 10-star way. Watch.